Perfecto. Thank you so much. What's the name of your cottage industry again?
Going up north.
Up north, eh? Up north. Well, that's good. I don't suppose you guys take plastic either, do you? So, sir, how long have you been working for Up North? Long time?
25, 30.
35, 30. I mean, 30 rather. Sorry.
25, 30.
25, 30.
Well, it's looking pretty good back here.
Yeah. Looking real good. Thank you so much. That was sitting on my shingles up on the roof there. And you can't let that happen. Well, thank you so much. Such a expeditious job. You were hardly here for a matter of half hour, so that's good. And you do charge by the hour?
Yeah. No, a small job like this is just minimum charge of $500.
500?
Yeah.
You didn't tell me that on the phone.
Our time is precious.
Oh my God, $500?
Look, buddy, we got a lot of jobs.
Wow.
We're good.
Gosh, I didn't know that. Well, look.
We get out.
Wow. Well, I don't know what to say. Jeez, oh Pete. Well, you'll have to take installments. You'll have to take payment plans.
And mail me a check. It's
No, I'm sorry.
4th Avenue.
I'm sorry. I didn't know it was going to be that kind. Listen, I'm going to have to do installments. I'm going to have to do installments.
I need to see if I need to see $250 right now.
What happens? What happens?
I'm the one with the chainsaw, buddy.
Oh no. Evil. Evil. Wow, I'll never call that service again.